When I was younger, I used to look so ugly because I never cared about how I looked, especially not with my hair. When I went to school, I didn't even set my hair properly. Like I didn't use any hair products. I didn't even take a bath so it could get wet so I could kind of style it. When I'm looking back, I used to feel so disgusting. But when I finally started to learn the secrets about fixing my hair, I looked completely different. And in this video, I'm gonna walk you through 3 steps in order for you to take your hair to look like something like this to this. And if you didn't know already, my name is Oliver and I help guys get on the looks maxing transformation journey so you can become the most attractive version of yourself. And if you didn't know already, building an aesthetic physique is the single best way to do so. If you don't know how to build an aesthetic physique, then go have a look at the top link in my description. All the details are there. So step number 1. The truth about using hair conditioner and shampoo. So from personal experience, I realized that every single time I used shampoo or hair conditioner to rinse out my oils in my hair, I actually started looking like my hair started to look worse. And why is that? It's because, as I just said, it kills your natural oils that you have in your hair, which actually makes your hair more dry and more greasy looking. You can literally see the difference. Just look at these 2 different pictures. There's literally only a few months difference between these pictures. Over here, I have used the shampoo and the hair conditioner, all of that shit. I used it here. But over here, I actually started to implement to not use it. And just look at how big of a difference it does with your hair. But of course, when all is said and done, your hair is important for your looks. But the most important thing is to build an aesthetic physique. And that's exactly why I want you to know that I have a program where I have every single bit of my knowledge about building an aesthetic physique in the top link of the description. So if you're interested, go down and click the link. All the details are there. So step number 2. The power of argan oil. So I began to use something called argan oil for some time ago, and it has really helped my hair actually become more, how could you say it? It looks more like it has been hydrated. It looks so healthy and it feels so soft whenever I touch my hair. And that's the power of the argan oil. Argan oil basically helps you or helps your hair to become more hydrated, and it gets that nice oily feeling, not that disgusting oily feeling, but it makes your hair so soft and shiny to look at. But there's a thing that I want you to understand. People use most of the time this oil wrong. That's why they don't see the results. Usually people, they just run it through the hair like I actually used to do, but you don't see any results by doing this, because if it's just your hair, like the top of your hair and all this, that will get the argan oils, it will just go out again. All the holes in your hair will just pull it out. I think that's how I understood the concept. But as soon as we start massaging it on the scalp of our head, so we really get into the roots of our hair, that's when your hair actually begins to absorb it in the roots of your scalp, and that's when your hair will actually begin to get fixed, and it will become this nice looking hydrated hair with a shiny bit of look, so it kind of looks golden in a nice way. So now you may be wondering, okay, but how many times should I use this? Like how much about the frequency? And to this, I would actually say that from personal experience, I see best results by using it 3 times a week. Not every single day, then it's like it can't absorb all the power, or not power, but but absorb all the oil. So 3 times a week will be the best solution. If you already find all of these tips helpful, then I would highly recommend you to go down and click subscribe to my channel, because on this channel I literally teach you about every single secret that I've learned to become the most attractive version of yourself. I'm definitely not done becoming more attractive, but you can already see how big of a difference that I've been had, like a transformation that I've had in just 2 years. And you can get the exact same results in even a short amount of time, because I know all the secrets to it. So step number 3, experiment with different types of hairstyles. So now that we know how to have healthy looking hair, now we need to have a haircut that actually suits us. I don't know if you've ever tried those TikTok trends where you can see like the facial shape that you have. So for example, if you are a diamond shaped or heart shaped face, and that's when TikTok will kind of give you a specific hairstyle that will look good for your like head shape. I would highly recommend to go onto that kind of filter or app, and then you see which it recommends. If you don't like the recommendations, then I would highly just recommend you to actually just search on the internet on hairstyles that you will kind of find attractive, and then you just experiment. Look at these two different pictures here. These are the ones that I tell my hairdresser, or what do you call it, hair cutter, to make for me. We are in the process right now because I had to grow my hair out and all this shit, so that's why it looks kind of a bit messy right now, but it will definitely look good when the results are done. And that's the exact same thing that you can just do with your hairdresser. You can literally just go up to them, think about it, that's what they are educated in. You just show them a couple different pictures, then you just tell them, excuse me, is there any possibilities that you could try to make this kind of hairstyle for me, and how can we make it happen? Do I need to grow up my hair? What do we do? Trust me, they know how to make the plan. At least that's what my hairdresser know. But again, the single best looks maxing tip that I can literally give you, which gives you such big results, like literally getting countless of girls that I have personally gotten, and that is just to build an aesthetic physique. I'm telling you, you get a completely different attention and attraction from women. I'm telling you, bro, it's such a huge difference that it does to your life quality. You literally, it's so easy to just go on dates now and get looks from women when you walk past them and they smile to you because you just look more attractive. And you literally get all of this if you just join my program. I'm telling you right now, it's the cheapest that it will ever be. It's currently only $20, and I'm going to double the price in just a short amount of time. So go click the top link in the description. All the details are there. If you have any questions, then I would love for you to write a comment on this video so I can improve my videos and I can help you with becoming the most attractive version of yourself as quickly as possible. And again, I would highly recommend you to subscribe to this channel if you want more advice like this. I have so many more things to share with you, so I promise you we will take you from looking ugly to the most attractive version of yourself. Go watch this video over here if you want to become one step closer to getting a girlfriend. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day, bro. Mwah.